I actually did want to say one other thing, just as part of part one, that's super important. It is mid-August here in the Great White North in Canada. There is massive risks involved in emptying your pool fully. With a concrete pool like this, the risk is that the pressure under the ground, any water or hydrostatic pressure under the ground can actually pop the pool out of the ground, which is irreparable, and basically you need to call an excavation team to come and take your pool away and then put a new pool in. But it's lower risk at this time of year when it's been dry, and we're also not near a lake or a river. There is a river, but we're up pretty high. It's probably like, it's over that way, and it's probably like, I don't know, 300 feet down. So I don't feel that there's any major issues with water table right now. Feel like it's the best possible time of year to do it. A little bit later in the fall would be nice if it wasn't so hot. We're going to want to mist these walls because, again, the pool is meant to have water in it. This is one of the only times you would ever fully drain your pool is when you have major, repairs to do, such as these. I will link to a great video that ironically showed up in my inbox this morning from Swim University that talks all about how to, when you should, all the risks with draining your pool. So, and basically you don't need to drain it all the way for most things. For this, where we're going to fix all the walls and paint the whole thing, we got to get it empty, and it needs to dry out enough for the paint to adhere. But I may actually start doing some of this patching up here before I'm fully drained, just to keep water in the pool longer. We'll see. We'll see more about that, and I'll keep you informed as we go along. But just wanted to talk about making sure you don't drain it, that you're just aware of some of the precautions you need to take when draining. All right, that's for real, end of part one. Good job, guys. You guys are part of the project. Means you get to swim in the pool when it's fixed. Awesome work.
Yahoo!
Last swim. More of a wading pool now. All right, gang, we're going to, for our next step here, now that the pool is empty.
Hello!
Oh, there we go. There's our assistant. We want to look in here at the drain and find the hydrostatic valve. I've never had this off. I've never had the...
Oh my god.
Ooh, there's some gunk in there, isn't there? Okay,
Oh
we
my
might have to get
God.
the... Actually, let's get that pump going again. We'll put it right in here and empty this drain out. See if we can find the hydrostatic pump. What do you think? Okay, so we got some of the water out with like a cup, and now we're into just the pure sludge here, so we're kind of taking that out, and I'll let you know how we do. Okay, so we got this cleaned out a fair bit here. You might ask, why is there so much gunk at the bottom? And I believe it's because the main drain was sealed off, we were told by the previous owner. It was sealed off over at the base of the skimmer, because typically this hole here, you see kind of the side there, goes underneath and goes into the bottom of the skimmer. But it's been sealed off there, I'm guessing because they suspected a leak here. And I think that is typical in these pools. So there's the hydrostatic valve, and it seems to be functioning properly. So if like any pressure is going to build up underneath, I'm pretty confident that that valve is going to just open a bit and allow any groundwater up into this hole. So I'm going to keep an eye on this hole and see if any appears. And of course that hole's probably going to be getting filled up a little bit as we're pressure washing and stuff, because I don't know if I'm going to dry it out perfectly each time like this. But anyway, that's the hydrostatic valve. So I wanted to check and make sure that that was functioning well, to again make sure we're taking precautions against the pool popping out of the ground and being garbage. So check that off the list. Looks good.